Eddie bro. Every
CJ. CJ. Oh, lovely. I didn't choose say dear. Nature say, you just have to happy yourself. CJ.
Miracle. CJ. I say, Ukwada for me and son, you shall see ya.
Not nice. Abano. I could be an pass every man of Quadaso. We share our say, Cratchy. Juangana on, but Gabinsi did. We are to Abanma in the Mano. I need a who's asking me who Calano, I say a brown, and I mean yellow, and I mean who fuchsia blue, blue, fuchsia. Fuchsia blue, and yellow no question than yellow as a gold as a turquoise,
curry color.
At I and I want to go to me one more.
Oh, now see the one baby on your man a boy day. Obi ana pan or paya boy to him what
a boy with the material from crab.
A boy no if you have a Obi from the other mama so also so dear say what pampam na junior baby fan to no dia beto netiko baby one is our boy fine
it me for one of your and they are who you
dear no o ha ni pa go no nya baby obepai no no se ma me kwachiri kakra
one before credit me pai ba kwaka
ne o pai no mini se my two na ya no se ma me kwachiri kakra ma me kwachiri kakra na hanwi na sa
and o dey do etiko no
and o dey do etiko no you can't frontline workers now. Still now you will police if we be on nurses near Juma. Or more isolation centers. No say told a bidjane. Or musika was all Monsacano. Or musika was all Monsacane Cobusumini. And when you may one a muhi a mobile. Now say, ye will you many be a honor more, or moon to mean soon.
Aside no good for the and say, as a mom who's a cacrano.
Oh, you know, a process for no isolation center, who says, and then a be Pentecost worship center, any other areas, and I'm up a process for bow or buying. And moon man, moon memo, major, mabushi, I want more so. She won't say, chassis, no. Na your money and lockdown na bring to kuka ya.
Me kai says I first story no kwasem na break here.
Na near omo de near ma asem ne serious ne say sika na free baby e wo say free akodi mpanimfo where wo say e de ma won e na enkoye.
Ya no kwa.
According to omo no. Won enuane semi so saa e na nke wo say na sisi ni we for ne ye de obi ade ma omo e no so ye say ya je ye be ma munuane na mo ma nkochini. We no so no yesre we yesa wo manipa no onwinwi se nipa ye adwuma chokonkronkra se wo dwuma ye ni akatua fata no se nipa no ye adwuma
nipa no de amememfe no
o de amememfe na ye adwuma no osungu so nti ye besre apolicefoɔ no a wone nurses no sa policefoɔ no mo ka frontline workers no ye besre momfa musika momo
na nyese sika no so abi ni ho wana ha se nyina wa ha donations ni ade a ekɔ a trust then for you. Is that escape bri?
Yenem penifoni nkomo. Yenem penifoni nkomo. Say no crisis can free baby e wo say e free akoduru baby wo say koduru dia. Ne scanner da ho ye den. Esan say scanner ye den e wu.
Obi our account number nti sane wo kan e wo se ekom ne ehwe e free hin na bedi hin ansa na omonsa aka ya say omo kam kwe sa no.
Eka Ghana some tranquil ya a child won't say no so akwaya
CJ and that should be about never be aba on parliament near Koso hono fee a woman mean who be that when you talk of leadership our parliament and come be biano or muyi minority majority to nchen no more ede no kure aye adwuma no one communication eba fa COVID-19 ho ye can ye discriminate yo ye kana omuni say ye no ma e for mo nko a won so omususuo say ye be discriminate against omunti no wo mo say ye mfa nhye ye ho ma ye nkoka say nipa bi anya bi monya bi
na so Boris Johnson kura wonya bi
wo ka you kasem Ghana ha de no we yesem mo ayen ni yentumi nya education no you see yeso okoto say
science ye bon kasa obi anya bia na obi
mama menya adwuma imra meba akua no kwaku montwe me na mentwetwe enkomo enra IPAC meeting na ba so na mamene ora Desmond into Twumasi or national organizer of the PNC also a leading member inter-party resistance against the new voters register meneno entwetwe enkomo Desmond akwaba
mejuso CJ
and now walking out of the IPAC meeting. When I na PNC for a name, I didn't know walking out. Desmond.
Yo, CJ, my min chawa no pen em chawa tie phone na me magana phone na achen anope. Nra mi kupie mo IPAC meeting. Na mi kupie mo no, and I said before me kono kra no. Na invite electoral commission or the other political parties no. On one kasa according to the invite or the buy no. We check political parties into two, morning section and then afternoon section. And you know, if you say morning section, no, not just about 8 political parties. I would say, and afternoon so 8. Inti me penny for etnas no say now say na etia why don't you look for a bigger auditorium and a bigger hall? 16 political parties, you know, including more commissioners, equal mundu 10. And Tinanka, Yetunya, one meeting, so say, Yenaya dream bay baku, send your bayer, ye pie anopa, na area for Sukupia, and yesterday, communicating about out there, no, a very different. Inti Yachodi Comao. Na Yachodi Comao, mono, Oma my idea. And the national chairman, decided to say, okay, says idea, Obeko meeting no kwa. Neo Bian will be so say, I didn't in a actual letter. Na omun to me replying. But unfortunately, Bibi Boom until Castle, okay, Menso a mere IPAC member, dear, Menko, Namiko Jina party na name. Do ono, Omo kind previous minute. Now, Asama, and I say concerns are raising a crown, almost kind previous minute we no. John Boy do raise a crown say, now then, almost kind minute na afternoon session 4 minutes dear, omu nibi. Na sankomu obia, and come back to me a reconcile. No man who say, and some almost kind anopano, and one almost kind aviano. If you almost say, and I'm sorry, and I'm saying, sir, and our chairperson, and same be kakra. Na me pese ameka na uchechi mu mami ena me ko bisa say anye dia ya cho letter say enka meeting ya ye wa hei ade na nka ye nya no a bigger space bia me feel say ye ya ebeboa ye nyina se ne ye betumi adwin beko ade ba ko mu na ebia ne say General Secretary of MPP ka say sanki ye nya minute anopa in ye nya ewiade na nke betumi a reconcile and me feel say going forward na say doing a meeting of this nature no enya dia ebebuan amaye tumpo manka say wi oh aposia na say wunya letter ne ye dia what are you doing here in fact okasa and the tone of the cast asem no I wasn't happy.
Which of the chairpersons?
Dr. Bosman. Say, why are you then here? Because then if you are here there, why are you here? It is obisa wako baby. Uko baby uko ye meeting. Kuma munofu say, uko wako ye meeting dia ebetumi aboa. Now at the end of the day no nipa no chair meeting no who raise concerns. I also say legitimate. Now some to me bisa say why are you here there? Media, now say me chamani, now me share the heavy security present. Any a tua among for Kita electoral commissioner hodia. That is say me pay baby fa. And yes, sir, me nim the bet me to me in the next few minutes. because say metena ho na to so biom once a watumi abie na no aka sansem we that means say input bi a me beba bia obebu agu because in the first place no waka say why am I here enti mimi hu ni say one but decide say on for respect kura me enemy political party no and enti no at the end of the day no once a yan position kura ni say we don't support the compilation of a new voters register no the team upon say at the end of the day no me ba ho kura ba be again and I have to work out na member na me kanche me penny for say osuma me say me nko no asem a ekosi ni nti say mo frame ya ni see wo iPack no.
Okay. Oko Facebook the scene at the Electoral Commission and with me Ashe Senana Honomo but Desmond, there was an agenda for yesterday's IPAC meeting. Mebwa. Krata ya de bremono. There was an agenda, and
there was an agenda.
Agenda no nam wo mo krata PNC for krata mo troye and am train response. Na ka ho.
Say ye cho letter e ko ma omo. Say letter na omo dia brain no. The first place no. Omo sheda ni entna sikra enka bibia HSS omo my update. Ye to so biem. Letter omo de brain no kra no. Time e wo mu ye 10 p.m. What you say?
Let am the bring more PNC for no. Yes. Time I was here 10 p.m.
10 p.m. But who say and the typo error. And you know, but we due the attention to that letter. And in fact, Meno Kasevia, I can send a copy of Yanya letter response, no. I had to come to the EC. Any Yanya the answer almost send it to your producer.
That's fine.
Now, cross checking. And you know, all these concerns, you know, ye raise, including say meetings are instead of 3 people Omo decided say Omo by just one person because unim say oye meeting no and I call IPAC meeting na ye nipa miensa national chairman ye acting general secretary and then myself. Inti say at the end of the day no the decision be ena ye be take ena ye nyina ya dream ba ye ba ko a ye susu ho na ye take decision but say who see nipa ba ko pemra oba no take decision bi na decision no oba no e ono na dream enko a na so pie na it doesn't go well with the rest of the team and I say the party na hwana na wedi ni hwamo.
Okay, that's what maybe that's one. The reason I'm beside the agenda on the meeting no and it say now issues with letter mo try and mo train response not any agenda no so then the best thing you would have done as a representative of a political party at IPAC and it's what trans and our train near we meeting no na we are maybe issues with the response I'm train free easy for you would have then dealt with it and I want to mean adwene sa
mania say the obeche meeting no etumi abie na no aka kire say then why are you here? I mean, why should you be in the meeting? Because what baby na baby a wo call no yatumi abie anu abisa say opedien wa ha obviously you don't need to be there and this is just a simple common sense say nipa na bisa us question we answer na wo kra wo tena say how would you feel woman say wo ko bisa asem kra na once I waka say why are you here no on fi ukrampo no watie wa num asem enti no it means say asem bia me meka o bia no it will not even carry any weight. What you say? And you know, at the end, as I say, make us now so that I'll be embarrassed. The best thing is for me to work out.
Oh yeah, inter-party resistance against the new voters register. More the press release about on the exclusion of voter ID card from the identification requirements for voter registration as proposed in the constitutional instrument amendment before Parliament. That is the heading. What release? So, more how saying.
Many on himself from 25th of March 2019. I call IPAC meeting. Issue of voters register. Echo bar AOB. You do want boboa the ababedu baby I ababedu. You bisa various questions. Questions are let's say Ghanaians baby saying we as a political parties when we come out from IPAC meeting. Electoral Commission has not been able to give us any concrete answer here a person also voters register no ye bisa say what is voters register no aye obsolete oho ye twam ya ka wa beka ya chechimu te wan fa mu aye amayi ye sam bisa say na say ye voters ID card here ye wo ikra no and say ye tumi e de call bank ye tumi e de call bibia ye transaction bibia wan kasa unipa unipa oye consultant wo IT consultant O2 for say some machines no ojina o ka kire en say ukita wo ID card no na wo call any polling station na o de card ni ma polling agent not ho na ana registration officer not ho na or enter wo card number ni details na ebeba wia because they want to add extra features onto the register no it includes your face you better when ni nkosua no near the ato register no eso aka won akasa details na wo so no enti sa ID card no ye bedi mu akotene ne atoso biem madam James ankasa ko gina baby ka say ye depending on NIA card to do our registration minia e dey na asesa wa on say electoral commission for omni Ghana for ndi ni oma wonwanya no wa be 419 because at the end of the day no as dia omo call parliament no nsema omo kan wo emra ye bi se omo questions omo pe baby adodge nti ana omo pe baby afanti omo kan de emeto Ghana for team say oh mikita me card ne kra metumi asan kwa koye biem se bi sa ho say nipa dodo sen na wo Ghana card nipa dodo sen na wo passport enra papa ne kasa no or say the basis of registration yo mukwakoyi ID card and a Ghana card yaye asanye ECOWAS card ye tosu biom passport no a traveling document anamebwa say Ghana ha is just a little over 2 million people in our passport card ya amayi say nipa enya card ni bi no is about 7 million dudu na she eshekam me ka say eshekam a omo nsan kan me a me ne wo ka say me ye me de me nsan kan me card e enti no bisa ho say electoral commissioner for no omo ni ye di ni yi ana you understand enti say yanye enchechemu e magana fo antia say from day one ye hu say ade no omo pese omo ye no emmoa because one omuni yen to mean na see ye enkeka nsem asese omuni yen ka ne asese omuni ye ka emo bia te ne ho ase na advice bi pa ye won ye de ama omo no omo ye omo adwene say omo nti obi afutu because ya brandi omo say omo ye independent nti omo kodam na de bebo omo tim bia no omo ba bonti a omo ka asese ye ko ne ko stamp so mo omo na eye asem ese wo ho but enye sanso ene ye di adwuma eninti yeah press conference no na say ye chechemu na Ghana for who say this is what the electoral commission is doing na yem yantinase my electoral commission ma amanfo bi a voting right enka omuyem ma amanfo bi sabe emre so say omokwa koto aba omuntumi ento aba because at the end of the day no ye gitumu say emrani say obi a wadi 18 waju mu da ho wo to me say esese wo to aba eninti no se unni Ghana card na enunti yentumi ma won to aba wo memu ha dia enye adwuma
that's what mama no ase ne evensia
menso me da wase minu abema
Desmond Ntochu Mesia, national organizer of the PNC, a leading member of the inter-party resistance against the new voters register. Sami Jenfi, and national communication officer of the NDC. Sami Akwaba. Sami Teminka.
Yes, CJ Metonga.
I want to do a hodie.
At the party, Yazaka say Ebenezer, Bevia, Onya Media Bedrini. Mama Moa Basoso, Kunya Kesia, say, Jumamu Penny for the what's now see. Yesterday, Namisha, Namiansa, Namia Hode, Namia Hobambo de Mao. Na ya bompa ese obekos watena hodada.
Amen. Medase pa. Sami letter easy the bremo concerning Enra IPAC. Not time ben also. I want to be sure. Sami Jemfi.
Letters no na eye
okay.
The D kind by no. Na date was no year 19th May 2010. Na I don't know by a whole 19th May 2020. Inti who ya no na adwum na because 10 years ago there and yeah possible so they could have written that letter inviting us to a meeting and run. And it was where I dream on na almost fair and say oh my own phone so letter no the brain no date the home. Inti omatwe ba kama and the oma correct the woman na inti omodi no ebre na the omudi kind of buy and the disregard because date be wrong. Inti few hours after almost answer brain letter I know the date na correct date na was no na a 19th May 2020 correct date and I almost omudi invited to an IPAC meeting on Rauku 27th May 2020. Time 10 o'clock p.m. It's Ubisamia. Dinner I was on the 10 o'clock p.m.
Well, and now my boycott time on internet boycott and now so there are other reasons. Sammy.
Oh, there are other reasons. And you say a boycott per se. First one, no, you bet me I can say a boycott.
Okay.
Because first one, no, I will bear a letter. I will invite to IPAC meeting on 25th March. Time na ne was on nyaye. Enti yeah on the 24th of March and the track kata koma almost say. Enye ma mi no. Na e wo meeting ni ho a ye de amaya adwuma ye kesene ne nti se nkomo betimi aye ho bibia nke beboa ye. Isan say empenyifo say adwento ato ama bato. Enti ye kan say number 1 meeting ye adwemu ye hu ni say etia Ghana mra. Mra ye friend EI 65 for. Omampenya kufuado coronavirus ibai why sa mra no. Say nyina ye ndiso na ye mfa mo ye ho ban na yare kwankuri ebi anya ye ama ye amfa so kra anya dai anhwere ye nkwa. In that EI 65 no omampenyi se wonye adwumayeku a ye frɛ essential service provider to say hospital some trofo nyuma moye ne de keka ho a untimi nye meeting untimi nye seminar untimi nye program bia to make say easy for untimi nye meeting easy for ek sa restrictions no anti e ka say say meeting ya illegal so be a crime that you want to more actually no that meeting no decisions are not taken untimi vanja because ochene be wait ma because oh even the meeting was in breach of law. So when the more discuss ye ni na no a void for illegality. Nti ye mpanyifo wo man mu habate ye mrom o man na mra so. Nti ye ni mra ne so. So mo free say was ye meeting because of abattoir nti dia and ye ne mo ya adwen. Mo ntwere nkoma o mampanyi na EI65 no that crop obetina fa ne pen. Or say me the EC4 aka essential service providers no what to say nzemjofo. In your body, with my meeting not exceeding 25 people. So, but until that exemption is done, no kuye bibi amra. Yeah, this are recommendation they come out. The tosu mi no yaka. Omo ka say o meeting na eba no. Omo becha political parties in mu mienu. Na aya no double track. Nti first group da kwatena se no medi omo nkomo. Omo wia na second group abetena se. Yes, asa wa mo ken dey se bi impreduasa. Ento asumu. Meeting bia ni wa wiase ha said cool ba akoko ye meeting akwa discuss assembly akọ no ma take decision ba akọ na ya chesa akọ ni mu mienu na ya se bi mu nkotena se nka omo de abra ebi mu ni ho bi mu abonten na omo wi a omo akọ omo abonten so abet mo de better na meeting na take decision bia because bia first group no obi be kan bibi wo mu a nka ya ye wa abonten ye wo ho anka ye so ye be kire ya adwen wo ho ama ni nyina ya capture ni in minutes ama no influence opinion in a meeting utimi di adwen bi ko no be superior adwen aba na se wo de na yede atonte ni nyina abo ama ya build the consensus the one build the consensus ko itimi ma utiki majority decision sa na IPAC ye no ya build the consensus anye ya ni atiki majority decision ye wi a na ya issue communique say ye ko dwen in some way no ejinaya yi si ni na obi assign but say enko na double track enche iPac ni mu mienu we enko Canadian sorry enko na we akọ Canadian sorry akọ de yenye meetings and some more say me discuss no so some we hu here even though iPac is advisory no we should be able to discuss it thoroughly having the views and perspectives of all participants so that the advice near them easier ebe advisor say the etaso enti se mpo mo pese mo bu bela so empo mo pese mo betwena komo mampanyi no de maka exempt services no why am essential service providers no matina ye meeting no in accordance with law no problem any meeting no ye be ya yenye ni ye so ni mra yenye be ye enti mo nkope edan a emuso chain normal iPac room na wo isi na emu ketekete no mo nkope baby emuso eno so ya ye bida obeka ya nansi January 30th ya iPac meeting ewo hotel we dey be ada be refindi there was Sankara nche hona za hotel kakaka no hona ye ne asofo mpanyifo justice and short mo eminent advisory committee ye pushia so it was a joint meeting and we changed iPac room meeting venue to a bigger auditorium so the beya enu mpo na ye before COVID obi abenya kwanya rada no so yesusu say oh yempe dan ya emuso kakra na eno de reps no say baako kra na ye nyina ye bekọ dan baako na ya tete mu na ye tin ye meeting no once and for all na eno no be ma meeting na ye papa na number 1 wo a wo brichi mra no onye ready say obe engage o mampanyi na meeting ye tinya famra kwan so aye number 2 meeting is what was obey no so you see e be ba so a eno so a was mo reps no match so from 3 to 1 eno mpo de ke haye bibiri ba one na me de amamo no so no obetena bonten am MPP for ni other parties abeka o mo de awi o mo kwa mo so ma e no ye nya meetings a
okay
enti me ba o ye de susu ye we koma wo mo 24th March bisinne nka jimensa onfa ni die mpo mayen na won tre krata ma so mo krata na mensaka ana say on reply a letter nimpo bisinne to letter na to baby a reply a yenyae acknowledgement of receipt yenyae enti ye wo ho na new invitation we so ye den e bae and they ya protest wo ho a ya ye hu susuye a o manti a ma ye boycott first meeting because first meeting ye soma ye deputy general secretary Peter Boamu to kono na koe enti edu no ye so no and ye ka say oh your problem with the mood of the meeting ya track that abem ye din susu yaba entehwe nti monka ho bibi ni nti omosi eni bibi aka kire mo ene ye de ahu abufu work out nti ka eno ade no ye adwen say 10 pm ye director of elections o ato na tare so bibi awi obekọ that is the Peter Boamu to kono ye na edu ye so a sans what twe o madwen aba the problem I with the legality of the meeting and the mood of the meeting so na so munya sem papa bi ka kire ya koswat na meeting mu ana se so munya sem papa bi anka nkire ya na ne ya sanso wa boycott to said ye dan ye afei eduranyumre be we are no miensa no nan a ye tene mfama mu se isifo awie meeting no kra e dey take your decision it dey see ye no how other political parties got to know say enye 10 pm na ya anopade isifo ankasa na betimi akire but yet you receive any other communication from the EC say oh e be a time na e won letter ni mukra na yem fon so enti emre no aye correct ni nti momra I'm sure that they didn't want us there yen so no enye ya say yen timi anko because meeting no kra no mfaso bia ni so mfaso bia maso na say meeting am ye no with this form mfaso bia ni so it was a useless meeting useless meeting is say iPac meeting defeated ya say iPac 95 this in okwa isi no de ensemble to monim no ma bisa mo say madwen ne sen so ho na mo nyina madwen ho ne ejina ye na issue communicate but na say iPac meeting ya no under the dictatorial Jimensa and Bosman Asari idea they said the last 25th March omoko ye enenradi okwa ya che mu no double track you see if you are taking decision say you be new voters register last week of June ye bo amane you say you tie wadwen me pato what tell me John
me tie osame me tie
nti omo agina yo AC alle CI of parliament amendment aye ni ya bo amane enye say you say afei ne ye di CI ne ko parliament ya ye draft na madwen ne say Ye the akwa wie ne yebo amane. Enye se ya ye timetable and ye be bisa mo se mo free the timetable yi eye e be ma ye adwuma. Mo ma ye magin. Ye ka cho se ya share time wo wie aye de baba be.
Okay, Sami
meeting hunu sa de ye koye kra ke koye de ho.
Okay, so Sami ye meeting me say mate outcome. You see the abetuja say the last week in June obesha se within 40 days actually trading or the cluster system be juma protocols to fight COVID-19 or the santi say nyina at the begwa kwan so e they are trading meaning the EC is going ahead with the new voters register. What do you make of the outcome?
CJ Lewis. CJ Lewis.
Mindy Louise.
CJ. And it is
and 28th.
The studio ma o producer Tigo and fan sign down who baby mouth. Say new voters registered the new ye best started last week of June. In C.
Hey,
Emma so. And yet possible to
Sami Jenfi.
Yes. Sami Jenfi na me no kasa ne ti bo mi bi na ti fu nyina.
Say Emma so say new voters register no Emma so.
Me be kire mu. They are confused. Chacha no moto no de omo ye ne friend guesswork. Agwo wo mani so. I am telling you today say easy for no. Omo de Ghana dache. Ghana asumdue. Ghana kabi mami kabi no omo de to apopre omo di diabro. Omo de to chacha. Omo nim di omo ye they are confused. The omo ye guesswork. Now what would I just would rather say we the next one thousand Ghana about mra ne but a novice printing I will be ready. Now so Ghana about mra ne Ghana about ho nhye asia. We believe us akọ Kembu story we. Yeah, the starting new voters registered last week of June. And in Guasie, almost if you come and cast specific date, last week of June, a date. This is the first time in this fourth republic since 92, CJ. Yeah, by the 12th in December, 7 December. Now, yeah, what May, yeah, by the red June, Abraham timetable, yeah, the Baby elections. This is the first time it didn't see that. 2012, after return, my new voters registered, which was the last time my voters registered. They started March. By May, near real provisional, now exhibition and the Aka. And now I know say timetable crown ye nibi. And then so take it from me. Said ye easy for can number one, omunim di omo can they are confused. Me say Ghana may have to appoint an interim election management committee to manage this year's elections at some point. Because easy way there, me say oma bon easy a letter kra onim twere. Date onim twere. Time onim twere. O ka say mo twere wa dwen hu mienu because all that out.
Okay.
Let me check when you may be any so. Easy emrabone no obodi akoto mrase bedwom no. Eye number 1. Emrano, I know no much of the trading. He has 21 days to mature. So, see, the yen is or check Emrano 21 days, ne chasing. Nanasa naka. Me, what I maybe any amateur for Adriaco baby. But me more information on my correct your errors. It won't check say Emrano how many days, naka how many days. Now we are going to news web if I want to say, Neya. Coronavirus ya TSC Masebejum no. Ye nim whether parliament will be sitting anano. Ye misa ye won say so ye betumi akane potting parliament whether they will be sitting continuously from now or not. Na Yehuda emra no be mature na because for the law to mature you need 21 parliamentary sittings. He say ko check number of these na check it whether based on the coronavirus situation, parliament, how that can even affect it and push it back. I know your first hint, and I'm a amount.
Okay.
Easy for us, never mature because they cannot predict parliament sittings. That is number 1. Yet we have 6 months to an election. Mm-hmm. That's number 1. Mm-hmm. Number 2, per CI91. Womana, what about elections? No, what about registration? No, say mature. I was say, voter registration centers. Maybe I'll be trading now. Any baby a war, edibu krataso. Na o gazette. Na o gazette we are. One my political parties in 21-day notice. So me kwa registration. Mayor no 7,000 centers. 7,000 centers no my gazette dini nani. Media comma political parties or munshim for 21 days. And sana ube to me akwa registration na wakwa koye. Enti da be na see I never be mature. Now, my Gazette voter registration centers are my 21 days notice. And number 2. Eh bien, this I will say. If you didn't have a registration and Casane way, that's your trophy of food. If you forecast and so we're starting new register 18th April. Maybe come first time table on 18th April. In Jomoka says by 18th April, no move fidie ni na bagana. Ama ya sheshem fidie no attest ya yidibia. April la betwem. May e betwem. Omo se omuntu mi nye aje se June be ende anza no betinya ye. Enti infidie no wen omo order 8,000 BVRs. Masa take it from me. Ifidie no ba akokora ni wa ba bedruga.
Sami, let's make progress. Already inter-party resistance against the new voters register. My yempne demonstration. Still, voters register Yahoo.
Just give me 1 minute. Because the main point I was a Ghana for
Sami,
I'll answer your question.
Sami, I want to know how far you are willing to go to stop the EC from registering.
It is not even, first of all, it is not even about preventing them. Okay? Say NDC anyashe yenye demonstration yen kasa yenyashe ni yesi omonya kro muntumine. It is not possible. Time na aka no. If you understand the idea nimu, it is not possible. So if you dey rekwa medru ye, and we will know what the manufacturers of infidien in EC worker about the challenges they are having with the manufacturing of infidien due to coronavirus. At the right time, yeah, the ones and bebabon. It's infidien no kwenya. Da be na infidien bebabon ma hye infidien na testing infidien no, ni aye piloting no. Na o makoye registration, mo don be piloting in June. And yet we are entering June. O machines in May. It is the omo ye no gas work.
Okay.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Mranda be mature that say. Yes, sir. Ye be gazette na wie that say. And yes, sir. E last week of this. They are not even able to give you a date. But I say
but Sami,
management.
It's possible the EC can pull a surprise. Maybe
Masa, there is no shortcuts when it comes to the compilation of a register because emrada won say yeda ho magic bi ani ba bia
enti mama bi simameba me question kwa wen ya no, but let me ask this final question
because mama me kwa mama nya no CJ me sure mama new question no because it's an important question.
Thank you.
Because the any be now apart from the point to say based on the mra akano, it is not possible for them to do what they are doing. Guesswork no more ye omu nim di omo keka no. Yes, so NDC for your area task of say over our dead bodies. And ye be more my new voters register now. Because ye nim say apart from say a sika say ye no. Any apart from say a million you ye more kwan so omonya omo be ye nyema preka amane de basabasa ye aba no. Ye nim say the real strategy, the real objective behind the new voters register no. And they say you best suppress votes, any voter registration or NDC strongholds. Near the area Benimwama MPP. That is the agenda. And unti, and say, oh, birth setter, onyaganeni, or driver's license, onyaganeni, or existing voters ID card, I am a many and anomaly atuaba from 92 to see now, onyaganeni, or the Tuabama president, Kufuado 2016, cra, onyaganeni. I just say, or just passport and a Ghana card. They are doing it because almost of disenfranchising Nipa.
Okay.
Yes, so number one.
the CI will be subjected to a lot of legal suits. That one, they know it already.
I see.
Even when it matures. Already we are in court. But apart from the legal suits, because you see, who work already said it at a time where coronavirus at 7,300 Masa omo we disabled omo koye nipa omo di won register ni 16 million also to obi aka da gu omo ma rescue omo kwa biem in this day of coronavirus when you know that will affect turnout.
Okay.
So if the people themselves from whom power and sovereignty emanates say omo mpene there is nothing you can do.
Okay.
Who say NDC, we are not a small political institution. We are a formidable institution. We have won 4 out of 7 elections. Politics will come and make immense amount. Not no more school. I won't say elections.
Sammy,
and we will stop them. That one we have told them. Say we say and we will stop them. We will not allow them to do it.
Sammy, my final question.
That bogus announcement.
My final question. All things being equal, are you going to advise your members
all
to register?
Can never be equal. And then your mobile best Obi Maza, unim your registration we are unim how many months are easy for here to generate a provisional register. Let me tell you these 2 things. And in March, this year, early this year, your first timetable the buy. No, most your mobile started limited registration 18th April. It's here for TMU, you use common sense. 18th April, no mobile started. And if it's almost starting the 18th April. Final register, I'm a political party.
Sammy, no, watch them with that.
No, watch them issue. Oh, well, if you don't have time, let's end it. Because I'm just making this point in a few seconds.
But final question, and I'm pressing me. But
that is what I am answering. If you ask me a question, let me answer. CJ, let me answer before you move to another question. What is that say about? I'm telling you, sir. The first register timetable on 18th April. The register was going to be ready on the 8th of November. So if April became, May became, now almost June or 3 months after. Commonsensically, when would the final register be ready? That is the first point. Number 2, last year, almost a limited registration. Actually, nipa be 1.2 million ding before say assembly elections. With 1.2 million mudino, it took more than 3 months. And then a provisional register. And Miranda said there was a provisional register within 3 months, but they exceeded it. Took them more than 3 months to do a provisional register, just including 1.2 million people. Now we are 15, 16, 17, 18 million. How many months? And on the provisional register.
Well,
how many months na kaya de kwako tuaba? So take it from me. You because someone is an impossibility.
Some fancy you didn't come much to you. So, lawyer Sammy Jemfi is the National Communication Officer of the NDC. ABY.
CJ. Electoral Commission. CJ. Who said only first person Kasano? He says something about mistake. Yeah, na at what time I edema and then NDC for so
already the same.
The first letter edema mono. Na ya dating 2010.
Mamen kai tie for say ya boy ho modern asen ke nsa ka electoral commission for. Na wo so bi won sem bisa wo mo pa but ya pemo a yenya enti
omumie nsa ka mo ma na ye pa no yie
CJ ne obi anim say electoral commission emra no enhye yemu no wo de wo ho se wo ye adwuma da bia me ka say IPAC meeting you omokoye kora no enyo hye say decision on be take wo on electoral commission fa but aye convention e wo ho no mo say ni ye no da aye gitum Mejidi se senka hu hia kura so a ko mo nkosai bre nkosai da age nkotena won kofa adwen
absolutely
eti eden a obi akokana sem ye fa bi ne ye tu bi gu a na nyina ye de koyenim na se ebeba se ye betro letter ye wo secretary wo ho ye wo mpanimfo a ye wasede se IPAC meeting ne be koso a letter say betro niema wo se ye nyina wo se wo hwe no mo ye that person no ye in charge no that person should sit up. That person should sit up. Yentumi mabo so me so a yentua woka. A whole electoral commission. Woman you won say ye ka batwo any munta wanta where ye de niema bi di agro. BBN sida and we pray say BBN sida. Ba se sha ase ne NDC amanyoko no ti omo charge omo bo from day one a. Ase omo nyi electoral commission mpanimfo na wo ho no ni. Eno so de esida MPP 40 opposition mo nye de wo ho ni afaijan na jama onya ni onu kura bo nya ni tie ni dim from afaijan time obi obebe bia hu ne so what time what opposition a electoral commission bedinfo e da no time wo ba se sa kura na tie a ye mayenka so amanyofo nde sa na omotie ba se muso mo ye ade a ye betumi apem point se ne mo ye ne nye ede na wo cho letter edikan na date no ye 2010 any atro no so letter I would recommend this for first so 2010 and I mo realize ye na mudi mirika sa mo mfa sa letter na mra na ye ma mu different one say ye mistake and so mo de call ya time ese so no 10 pm anajo etu tie sami jam finura wo se an visa free ankra to na tade enti anajo 10 pm no afi no no ko na IPAC meeting mo ya de e be ma nipa no anya asem aka nipa kura wose wo hwe no ye sa adwuma no ayeko ayeno ayesa eya abroso omo hwe na adwuma no omo ye no omo nya ne frenchim ti se obi kan wasem se CJ ayemise ya na wo anya bibia nsomu anyina so amfa nkan wasem na wo so jeja wo ho na wo twotwo letter basa wo ye from omo mfa de enti na omo mfa because idea no obi e ka say eniema requirements a modi akọ ewo si a enu emboa eno ho na nka argument wo na say wo sama ne beten ni say letters amucho mistakes nko awo mo niema amuyem ademada
a sensitive institution like the electoral commission
because your 2020 need to be 2010 the na say ya back date and yes I dey 10 pm now can brofo ba ko be me there brofo no metibia na makai me of asamse ayi
bogos no ana
disenfranchise
every ankata ne gu ani
asamse ayi wo de me of
ebushafo yemfa da ugbo nkata brofo na nye kasa o
na maye den
brofo na nye kasa
me se makai
me na no ayi akando mo se wakoka den se o mo de mo so eva den logic o ye new den mo di dwa na
akua me pede mo de yeme no me pede mo de yeme
no mo ahwe ya mo fa bi kasa bo ase
brofo na o kan na nam se am makai me ofa eno so maye bone
waka no aka tirim
akua mama wo de chronicle no asase ma men kan comment kakra ehu hia me pa comfort me kwanim sensing this one on our Facebook page. Sami Jenfi is rude. Communication officer means talking no ede eno abba let me read this one. Kwekweje or say Sami Jenfi Debbie. I can't read this. Godfred Giddy or say do you know some of the words used by this opportunist guys on morning radio provoke some of us who don't belong to their party where they are ambeyi. Kwakwa who answer say this guy is not serious. When Nanabi even slapped you in the studio and you insulted him, and the message here, and you insulted him. Just any outro. CJ, leave Sami Jenfi alone. Captain didn't become captain on radio just a day. Allow him sit and enjoy the show. Seth J. Mensa, I say please, CJ. You are not in control of your questioning and not demanding clear and straight answers. Samumon, yo, Yadamasi. Equia,
see
Chronicle.
Abusuafo the Chronicle ebeto so na Alhaji Muntaka Mubaraka na noada wo wie fasting ene wo se chese wachi ne kwamo enema akoma akwaduasa pa de wonwie meditro emfa nsa ne fasting awaye eti na no wabra mrahebedwam panina woda mrahebedwa no no sada dom dodo no ano wonmunyamfo se eche mensa bonsu ene yakasamafo wo mrahebedwam ma public affairs ye wo honum ketado tim ena doctor panina won so ya administrator ewo hospital ewo parliament won so tim ene wo munyina di tu dwa se yatesa manfo keka se mrahebedwafo mienu ene adwumayefo bi ye wo mrahebedwam asei wonu manya COVID-19 yade ni bi na enye nokore test kure kwaye ye results na maaye eti omom keka sansem no results bi amaye wo mu ka asem wie ya na Alhaji Muntaka Mubaraka so ene Joy FM hase ya Joy Prime so no wote ene wodi tu dwa se hwehwehwe mempanimfo no ne omo ye no omo ye di service to the nation who's on so minority chief whip eti wo se ne ekoso parliament ono wonim na omo nyina ye omadwen se enka results no ombema obia akwaye test na wie ansa na omo the results no aba enti onim kwan ye fa so a ne omadi kan ye no eliki ye na emom se munyina ma agree se okay bi mwanya yade ni bi na emom ye mfa ntudwa se ne be ye a omo aka ni nyina be kwa akoye na sa ade na liki e ba abonti anka se wo bia test positive etu onde ne wonim oni se emrahebedwafo mienu ena workers ye wo mrahebedwam no wo mumu bi anya yade ni bi eti se ne mpanimfo se eye da bi a wono de wo som asoasefo wo gina asoasefo anam ena wache ne kwoma wie ntigo ni toro wo se parliament wo mrahebedwafo no mienu anya bi workers ne so wo muso anya bi wo hono eti ne mpanimfo ne kan ye no wonim ne nti o mu di toro se ya na wo kan no se ne oka na America ni so onim ni enti o mu dito etunya de gbonka ta ibi a ewom na Chronicle okro na muni anopai kasebo mu moteye Nigeria ni ababa bi a ye frɛ no Sylvia Jamaho anandi na de ehinu no wono na Jamoka se Ghana Nigeria wo be wura Ghana yesi nwuramu a wayi $5,000 se monye na bi nwura Ghana hwe monye yanye $5,000 na wura Ghana Naji ababa fefe say kokokokoko no da we no kokko no kra na picha say
sika no oyi ma hwan
immigration
what the immigration for yanyi no nwura Ghana there is say bribe no ye obi anyi bio eti ne huntuma pa
e be pa no be ne Ghana e bro so a se wantua 5,000 na me wura Ghana just wontimi ntana
kwa go di bisa
ebi wonye ma we so mbe ye critical
My Daily Graphic and Fantas na Daily Graphic and what the Ababetu Montreal was a voter registration begins in June. And once some near say Sanchez, Yarba registration no 33,367. And then Sanchez or month for Kakoto Santaneja, Womacho Mudintiane de Bocratano, what the boss Manasari, deputy chairperson, Ewo East in Ifonia Babetua, and Wapijan San was Monkamakuman to me, Nachi, Femudi, Bibiana Kama, Musufe, it is having we are boy now, Sona, Omzo Mutino Matu, Tsunami you. It's another Wokratano Diaba, and was the parliament divided over results of COVID-19 tests. A Munsam ne Kriasasianum. And Sans Muntaka was here no cray as I'm no cray and to Sabi, Nipani Bianya B. When we have for such a mess about to swab on Chaba Bitrim, so yes, I'll do Humba to a month. As I say, Woba Becasabia, one rabu and yabi, after one rabu drew constituency, Wabano be done. What under some interfere? Well, a Cobana say, had you Nagana, dear. You know, when your coronavirus, you bet me to crack to a bet you, Ghana. We bet you I can't pay away. I can't send Montua Manipo.
Everyone try Adom. Obidu mi kwa dukumi. Mamenda masana muso mfi hanko. Mumfosro hanko ya juma. Mumfosro hanko ya juma.
Ene chi buy the birthday wo ho. Mama
okay.
Mini obe mama no happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Sheila Nadu. Sheila Manye. No ye juma Kasapa Radio London also. Man happy birthday.
The future is exciting. Ready? Erata Motors for the best car batteries and oil by Speed Made batteries and oil from Erata Motors. Ideal Milk, Ghana's favorite milk. Latex foam, your partner for life. And our Societe General SG Ghana, the future is EU. Agbeve Herbal Center. Wayari Safi. Kobe Stone or Kumankra